Hey everybody, what I was wanting to show you guys today was the Keurig 1-cup coffee maker slash espresso maker. I have had this for about 3 years now and I absolutely love it. I use it about 3 times a day, and you guys are probably, if you're coffee drinkers, are already familiar with the K-cups. But one of the good things about this is that other places make those same type of K-cups now, so you can get a multitude of different types of flavors. And one of the advantages of having this 1 cup versus like a whole entire coffee pot is that if you have guests over and one person might want to have caramel, or another person might want to have chocolate, or another person might want to have macadamia nut, you're able to make each one of those separate from each other, and then everybody will be happy. And it's very easy to make. Like I said, I've had it for about 3 years now. I use it daily, multiple times a day, and basically you just plug it right into the wall here, and and that's all that you really need, and then you're good to go. So you can have it sit anywhere in your house. By the blender, if you want to have it out like this on the island like I do because I use it so many times a day, you can do that. And the company is actually in Malaysia. It's made in Malaysia. That is where it comes from, but I have not had to replace it. It's not broken down on me at all whatsoever. Now, one of the other things that I like about it is we were talking about those K-cups, and that's what would go into here, and it actually fits into here like this. It fits into here, and those K-cups go inside of here, and then you close it and it punctures it, and then the water trickles down, and then it makes your coffee or espresso. And we're going to be demonstrating how to do that here in a few. If you are going to be a traditionalist and you want to use regular coffee grounds, then it has this adapter, and then you can, what you do is, there you go, what you do is you put your coffee grounds into here, or espresso grounds into here. You put it in the same hole right up in here like that, and as you can see that little hole right there, that's where it actually would puncture the other cup. But since this is not going to be a cup and you're putting in regular coffee grounds, it's going to go right into here just like that. So that's how that works. One of the other things as far as cleaning is that this bottom tray right here comes out like this, and then you can clean it anytime you want. It has like a catcher, so in case there is any spills, if you knock your coffee over, then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. All it is for cleaning it is just that, cleaning out your cups here, and the area in here you have your water, which is where you'll put your water in. And as you can see, you can do 6 ounces, 8 ounces, or 10 ounces. So you can have a multitude of different types of cups as far as the majority of water that you're going to be putting in, and then you'll be good to go with that. So what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to actually make a cup of espresso, and show you how easy it is. How easy it is if you want to have just 1 cup, or if you want to have 2 cups. And also it comes in black, and it comes in other colors depending on the decor of your kitchen. So all you have to do is take a look at that, and you will be able to see what it is that you like and tailor it towards what you actually want or what you actually need. And when you actually run this, it doesn't make that much noise at all whatsoever. So if you do have a kid that's trying to sleep, you can go ahead and just crank it on up, turn it on, and you'll be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it. We're going to set this up, show you how to use it, and yeah, see how it works. So we are ready to go ahead and do an example of how you can use it. And if you're going to be doing regular old espresso, basically what you do is you lift up the top here, and you will pour your water right in the top, just like that. You will go ahead and you will close it up. You will want to turn it on, and then as you see here, this is flashing. The blue light here, it is telling you that it is ready to go. And one of the things that I do like is that if you want more than just your regular traditional espresso cup, or many of you might not even have one, you don't have to use that. You can use a regular coffee mug, and then you just put that in there too. So you would just go ahead, pour that water in, because like I said, it holds up to 10 ounces. Go ahead and close it up, just like that. And then you would want to put your coffee grounds into your coffee ground holder. Just like that. You will pop it in. Pop it in just like that. All of the water will run in. You go ahead and you close it. And if you were using this one here, you would actually use the cup, the actual K-cups. You go ahead and close that. One of the things I like about this too is that this removable tray, as you see, this actually fits, and so does some other, like a regular standard size coffee mug. However, this one won't fit, so what you would do is you would remove that protector in case anything spills out, and then you got your cup sitting right there and you're all good to go. And then as you see, this light is blinking, and all you do is just hit it, and then it turns red and it's blinking, and what it's doing now is that it is heating it up. It's heating up that water, and it's going to make a nice cup of coffee right there. So we're just going to wait. See, you're going to be able to hear it actually heating it up. This is very easy to use, and it makes my life so much easier because if I don't need to brew an entire cup of coffee, I can just go ahead, drop one in, and then I am good to go. This came already assembled. All you did was just pull it straight out of the box and plugged it into the wall, and you're ready, and off you go. You're hearing, that's about how loud it is right there. So it's not going to interfere with anything else that's going on with your day in the mornings. Like I had said before, I've had this for about 3 years, and I have not had to replace it, change it, or anything. I just plugged it right in and have been using it multiple times a day. And see, it just drops. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Put your water in, hit the button, and you are off to drinking some coffee.